Hey family, this is kind of I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade. I'm determining which strategy I'm gonna be using this week. Right now, I am working with NAS 100. So let me show you my plan for that. The RSI is really low, but this one goes pretty low in the RSI. Please make sure that you mark up your RSI this week. Okay, see, look how low it went there. So we're going to put a low, and I always make that like a different color so that I'm aware, okay, that my white or my red in this case is the low, right? But I know that it can go as low as that yellow line and as high as the yellow line up here. So make sure you mark your 70, your 50, and your 30, okay? Because we do want to respect the RSI. Last week, the RSI was just kind of wild on gold, but respect the RSI because nine times out of 10, it's going to hang out between the 7 and 30. But sometimes the market is a little volatile, and when it's volatile, it will go to the high. So you always mark that extra high and the extreme low, okay? So I'm in this trade right now for the sale because it's the market is selling. So that's literally why I'm in. Okay. So this week I'm going to be focusing on pending orders. I am using Dr. Russell's four finger strategy. In addition to his four finger strategy, I'm going to be using my pending order strategy in Dr. Kathy's ECC 11. And as you can see, what I love about ECC 11 is that we have strong resistance here on that buy. We know that this thing on NAS can go all the way down here to the support level. Okay, so my first trade or second, whatever, has already cleared. I'm going to let this RSI pull back up before I get in for another sale. Okay. So let's look at the pending order for those of you who like pending orders. The pending order was here for NAS at 25,442. You want to make sure that the numbers are aligned. NAS right now for the buy is at about 417 on here is at 417. Good. So you can use these numbers. Okay. I'm trading in Q. So then here I put my pending order here for 25,442. Okay. And then I just let it hit for the 60 bucks. I know that the market is not going to come all the way down here to support before it turns around. So I have some more room, but because the RSI is all the way down here, please do not be wise in your own eyes. Leave that alone. And you see that candle is starting to pull back. So your market has got to pull back. Let it pull back, and then we'll be ready to get in again for the sale. Okay. Our fingers are up here. So at some point, it's going to be time to go ahead and buy up. So we're going to be very, very respectful of that. When we get ready to buy, we already have our pending order. Okay. And so our pending order is up here and it's at about 20. You can look on the side, 25,475. Well, no, look here on the actual one, 25,478.2. All right, so that's the area where we're going to be looking to buy up again if the market breaks past this. And the beautiful thing is this is above the resistance. Don't ever buy or sell in a resistance or support area. If the market continues to break up here, you just go and put your highlighter on. It's going to tell you that you can put your next pending order in here. Okay. The market will continue to push down. And then if you just lower it, you can see your pending orders. So your pending orders are already on the screen. Very important. If the fact that we have a lot of labels is affecting your ability to see, well then you can just hide them. Okay, so I'm just going to hide ECC 11 really quickly because here's my next pending order, 25394, 25394. So I go over here on the side, you're going to put stop. We only do stop market. Okay, and it was at 25,394. I'm going to double check to make sure that that was correct. 25,394, and I'm trading three contracts, remember? And so then it's a sale, so I'm going to press sale. Okay. And so that's about right here. And that should push me through that resistance area. I'm going to go back and look at Dr. Kathy's resistance areas. Those are really, really important. That's like at the bottom of that area, right about there. 25392 is going to be the best place to get in, because you don't want to get in that area. Okay. So you want to go underneath it, but it is going to spike. Okay. So even if it hits it and turns around, it's still going to spike it. Okay. So you can decide if you want to get in up here or if you want to get in down here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look, okay, at my RSI. My RSI still needs to pull up some. I'm going to wait for it to pull up a little bit more before I get in another sale, just because I know it's really low in the RSI. So, what is the strategy I want you to pay attention to this week? This week, we're trading pending orders, buy and sell labels, okay? Buy and sell labels. And then we have our four fingers always on our chart. And then, in addition to that, we have Dr. Kathy's ECC 11. Again, that's going to give me my double confirmation. We're in a sale. The alert where you see buy and you see sale, it always trumps everything. So if the alert is for a buy over here, I'm just looking for buy pending orders, not sale pending orders. If I have a sale alert right here, well, I'm only looking to get in for a sale. So I could have got in this sale here, that sale cleared, this sale here, that sale cleared. You're not going to get another sale until the market begins to push up. So this is an excellent way for you to get one of your bags this week. I'm giving you trades to hold, which are basically going to be pending orders. We have 3 bags we want you to get this week again. Bag number 1, Pitmaster is going to give you your holiday compound trade. Holiday compound trade. Dr. LA is going to be giving you trades that you can hold, and Dr. Kathy is going to be giving you trades that you can hold for futures. So you have 3 different ways you can get the bag. We're going to get a Forex bag, we're going to get a futures bag, and we're going to get a hold bag. Happy trading and happy holidays.